Hi, I'm Josh Hicks for Indiana Court Times, the state's publication for judicial communications. With us today is Marion County Superior Court Judge Jose Salinas as this issue's sidebar judge. And I'd like to add that you also have two problem-solving courts, drug treatment and reentry court. So in your sidebar story, you mentioned that you had a pretty interesting childhood. You moved around a lot. You were working alongside your family. Can you tell me a little bit about your childhood and your upbringing?
Sure. I was raised in South Texas by my grandparents and my great-grandmother. We didn't move around a lot, but what we did, we came in the summers to come work in the Midwest in Illinois. So in Houston, Illinois. So every summer from age 12 to about age 18, one summer I went to California. I worked in the summers detasseling corn, and California was peach. So it was interesting. It's as I noted in my bio, that it taught me a lot in terms of what I wanted to do in as far as education. There's nothing like being next to your grandmother in a long row of corn, and she's helping you out, and she's in her mid-50s and you're 13, and it teaches you the value of getting an education and knowing that you don't want to do that kind of work for forever. So it was a hard living, but I have more positive thoughts and memories from that time than negative.
Sounds like you learned a lot of different trade skills along the way, picked up maybe a lot of knowledge from your grandma. Any quotes or any words of wisdom that she may have shared with you when you guys were working?
Well, like I said, I was raised by my grandma and my great-grandma, my grandfather as well. As far as words of wisdom, it was just, they instilled in me the values of right and wrong, that don't try to hurt anybody. You're not going to please everybody all the time, but what you can do is live your life in a way that you don't go out intentionally go hurt anyone. Stick to the values that you believe, the hardcore values that you were taught as a kid, and they taught me the value of not only hard work, but also education, because I was big on my grandma and my great grandma's life. They wanted me to get an education. I was the second one to go to college in my extended family, cousins and what have you. First one to get a PhD though.
Thank you so much for joining me today. It was great hearing a little bit more about those happy memories working alongside your family. Be sure to check out the full issue in the description below and find more interviews on our channel at the end of this video.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.